fusion cuisine. Today we are going to do another delicious Peruvian recipe. It's called Lomo al Jugo. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's do it. For this recipe we need a pound of beef tenderloin, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 red onion chopped julienne, 2 tomatoes, a tablespoon of ají amarillo, that is Peruvian yellow hot pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 tablet of chicken or beef flavor, half a cup of beef or chicken broth, cilantro, and pepper and salt to taste. Julienne, the red onion, to prepare the marinade for the vegetables, in a mixing bowl add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, mix everything together, add the red onion chopped, cut the tomato julienne and add it to the marinade. In another mixing bowl, add the remaining soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, some of the ají amarillo, the chicken flavor, and the smashed garlic. Cut the beef in small strips so that it can cook faster and add it to the marinade. Mix everything together and leave it for a few minutes. Add some oil to a wok or a frying pan, heat it to medium-high, and add the meat. Don't add all the meat at once because you will cool down the oil. I like my meat well done, but you can cook it to your liking. When it's done, set it aside. Add some more oil and repeat the process with the rest of the meat. Oh my god, this is already smelling delicious. I wish you guys could smell this with me. Once you are done with all your meat, you can go ahead and set it aside. Be sure that you get all the juices from the wok. You don't want to miss all that goodness. In the same wok, add some more oil and you can start frying your vegetables. Stir fry your tomato and onion for a minute or so, and for more flavor, optionally you can add 1/8 of a tablet of chicken or beef bouillon. Stir fry for a few more seconds so that the bouillon gets mixed, and add the meat. Don't forget about the juice. Mix everything together and add some more soy sauce. The vinegar. Some more ají amarillo. Cilantro. The beef broth. Mix everything and add some salt and pepper to taste. Our Lomo al Jugo is ready. Our Lomo al Jugo is ready. I hope you enjoy the recipe and I hope you'll try it. Let me tell you that I tried this meal a few years ago when I traveled to Peru to visit my husband's family. They served it to me for breakfast. It was delicious. I fell in love with it. And let's see how it is. Okay? I'm gonna take mine. This smells delicious.
It does.
This is so good. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.